Hello guys, you are watching my YouTube channel videos. Which channel name is Technic Channels. In which channel I make the videos in the Wi-Fi connected password that we can't see the password in the laptops or computers. But today I will make the videos in the different topics that I am in mobile screen. So my topics is that how we can make our mobile faster than others people mobile. So let's start our topics. First of all, you have to go in the setting for the first tips. Here we should go in the settings, and you have to go to the application management in which you have the system Samsung, then application management with the option. If the Oppo, then follow me. Okay, click in application management and install. Here the running installed all, so that I click here, then see here, you can see here the install and uninstall, and uninstall is here, you can see. But I need this, so I don't uninstall this. This is also I don't install it, but I can delete data. That's my mobile will be moved with a faster. So I clear the data, but I can't delete the data of Facebook, Free Fire, no, Game Booster, no. These have no updates. But we can't uninstall updates that Google Play services. This is the not. This is updates. We need it, so I don't uninstall it. But you can uninstall the updates that you have in the mobile apps. I give you the tips, you can do it, then your mobile will not be hang. So let's go in our second steps. In second step, you have to go in the Play Stores, and you have see the three lines box. Click here, and you can see here the options. You have to select the settings. I click it, and you have to go here. First of all, app download preference, which is necessary for you. The updates in your mobile, the updates is automatically updates, so that your mobile will be hang. So you should have to ask me every time options and done. I already done it, so you can do it. I already done it. So if you have over Wi-Fi only or over any network, then choose the option don't auto update apps, and here also don't auto play videos. Then your mobile will not be automatically update your apps. That's the mobile will not be get hang and slower. Then your mobile will be take up faster. Okay, and let's discuss in our third tips, which is the last tips. Again, you have to go in the Play Store app which is useful for your, here we can see here I already installed it, but I updated it. Okay, I update it, and I will inform you to how to use the CC cleaner. These apps you have to install it. I will show you how we can show you. This is installing. Oh, my guess is true. So okay, installing. This takes few times, so I skip my video. Here we should select the option CC cleaner, and I will inform you, understood you to how to use the mobile CC cleaner apps. So continue with the ads. Okay, then go, and first of all you have the option. You have to see the option. You can see it. Quick clean, boost your mobile to fast, and hibernate the mobile so that your mobile will not be heating. So I always do it, so I will give you the demo. Okay, I click the quick clean, and here the chunks file checking process. Okay, here I have 78.90 GB 90 MB junk file, so I clean it. Then our work is finished. So another option is boost, which is necessary for your mobile to fast your mobile. You can boost it. If you boost the mobile, your mobile will be fast. So I boost the RAM. Grant permission. Here we can hibernate it also. So here you can see. Here checking the memory, and here the option of hibernate. Here top you can see the Wi-Fi hibernates, which is necessary for your mobile. So here you can hibernate on mobile apps that are hitting your mobiles. So this app's advantage is very good. So I hibernate it all, processed it. You have the option. So I hibernate it. Hibernate means to stop the apps. So you can do it.